Greetings LEGO fans, I'm the Montreal Lego Maniac, and this week I'm pleased to present to you the 4x4 X-Treme Offroader. This is Technics set number 42099, has 958 pieces, and this set is an app-controlled set, meaning that this is truly a remote-controlled car, and by all accounts this one is capable of doing, as the title says, some more extreme off-roading than some of the other app-controlled vehicles I've seen out there previously. Now, before we get started, let's have a look what's inside the box. Alright, it's time for the review portion of this video, and I'm looking forward to going over this one with you, because this is a lot more rough and tumble, solid of a build than I've ever seen before, and it comes with a host of more mechanically advanced and intricate features than I thought I would find in here. For starters, what makes this kit so cool isn't just that it looks badass, it's that it's actually a remote controlled car. A true 4x4 that you can control via Bluetooth from your smartphone, tablet, or other touchscreen device. Starting with some basics, this 4x4 off-roader has some pretty solid suspension. In the back, we've got about 2 centimeters or just under an inch of travel, and we can see the same range of motion in the front suspension. But additionally, because the whole front half can twist, instead of getting 2 centimeters of travel, you get 6 centimeters in the front, or just about 2 inches. With this wide range of motion, this 4x4 can traverse the most uneven of terrains with the greatest of ease. You can see how this plays out in this video. As it comes down the hill, the front suspension first drops way down, allowing all 4 wheels to remain in solid contact with the ground. And then as it continues down, it raises way up again, still having all 4 wheels in full contact. This is of course what you want to maintain maximum traction at all times. Now onto the drive system. This guy's got 2 motors to control both the front and rear wheels in a 4-wheel drive configuration. But more impressive than that is it actually comes with a full differential. This allows the wheels to turn in the same direction when being driven by the drive motors, or allow one of them to spin when stuck in a low traction situation, like in the mud. And just like on a real car, if you spin one wheel one direction, the other spins in the opposite. Being solidly built with a wide wheel base and definitely being bottom heavy, this little guy is ready for some downhill action. And as you can see here, if it goes off a little cliff, it's fully capable of doing a little roll and landing right back on its wheels. Unfortunately, uphill isn't really its forte. It can handle a bit of a gradient, but if it encounters any obstacles, it has a hard time getting over them. I don't really see this as a problem because downhill is really so much fun, and if you really do want to go uphill, there's a bunch of videos I've seen online of people changing the gear ratios, allowing it to take on much more impressive obstacles. But as I said just before, I don't really care that much about the up because the down is just so much fun. While resilient, the 4x4 off-roader is not indestructible. Through my play, I did lose a few small pieces along the way, and I had to go searching them for the grass. But you know, it is Lego, and I really am impressed with how well it holds together. And for my final thoughts, I really gotta say that I love how this kit was made to be played with, but also looks really good as a display piece, and will be a lot of fun to show off for all of its really cool features. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Want to be updated of our latest releases? Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you back here next time.